Making money on the internet might seem like a risky income that you can't rely on. But when you have different revenue sources from the internet, you can live better than having a normal salary. That's why in this video, I'll show you a method for beginners to start making money online. And I will also show you a website that will actually do the work for you entirely. You will get paid from this method daily and there is no withdrawal threshold. And when I say you don't have to do any work yourself, I actually mean you don't need any experience. You don't need a website, you don't need a social media following, you don't need a camera. You basically can use this method with your smartphone starting right now. But first, hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video online. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. We reply to every one of our viewers. Now let's get into the video. Okay, so first and foremost, I'd like you to look at all of these payments right here. This is all for essentially doing no work because the tool does the work for you. Now, I want you to leave a comment down below saying, what are you gonna do with this kind of money once you start with this method? And now, as usual, this tutorial will be like a step-by-step process so that you can follow easily. And if you follow all of these procedures and steps, you'll have everything ready and set up for you to start making money by the end of this video. So the first step is to go to SEO Clerks at SEOclerks.com. SEOclerks.com is a freelancing community or website, and regular individuals like just you and me are selling, buying, and trading various services online. And as you can see, all of these people are making a good living. For example, this person is asking for $25 for this service, right? And they had over 5,000 sales, which is a lot of money made by one single person, don't you think? This guy is offering the service for $350 and received more than 100 orders, which is almost nearly $35,000 in pure profit from this one service. Don't worry, you will not be required to supply any of these services. There is only one feature of SEO Clerks that we will use to earn money without ever having to do the hard work ourselves. Step number 2 is to join this community for free, which you can do by clicking on the join button over here, which is the blue button over right here. And you will need to make a unique username for your SEO Clerks account, provide a valid email address, type in your password and confirm it, and once you are finished, click here to proceed. You will then need to provide your legal name in this box. And then you have your skills right here. So just enter in voiceover, voice actor, voice artist, and anything that has to do with voice services. And once you've signed up for free, you can start looking into the voiceover services you'll be providing to your customers. And once again, do not worry, you don't need any equipment, you don't need a microphone, you don't need to speak English since you won't be selling this service. There's a tool that will do all of the work for you over and over again. And as a result, you will be able to receive these payments indefinitely. Now, when you come over to SEO Clerks, I want you to go to the place right below the categories. Click on Marketplace and then go to VoiceOver right here. That shows that different people provide various voiceover services. This time we are using SEO Clerks rather than Fiverr because the competition on Fiverr when it comes to voiceover is really hard to get into. There are about 20,000 sellers providing voiceover services, but here on SEO Clerks, there's only about like 100 or 200 people. So there's a lot more money to be made on SEOclerk.com. So go back to SEO Clerk, you can see that people are generating quite a bit of money with this. For example, if this person charges $15 for 100 words of voiceover, 1,000 words will cost $150. And he got over 600 sales, which is a lot for one person to handle. You have a list of various people providing voiceover services and demanding huge prices. So there's a lot of money to be made as a voiceover artist, but you will not have to do any actual voicing because this tool that I'm gonna show you is going to do the voice for you and is going to do the job for you basically. So you simply enter your client's script into the box, click generate voiceover, and then you can deliver it and they will pay you. You can earn hundreds of dollars for each voiceover that you provide, and you can only do this over and over again for an unlimited amount of time. But before I show you the tool that will do the work for you, I'd like to remind you guys that we have more videos on our channel EarnPal about how to make money online. The goal of our channel is to teach you how to generate an online passive income stream to reach financial freedom. I put a lot of time and effort into making these videos to ensure that each one of these methods work, so I would appreciate it if you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Using this tool will not only allow you to make money on SEO Clerks, but also on all the freelancing websites out there. In all my previous videos, I always tell you guys, focus on using as many websites as possible to increase your earnings. So go ahead and use this method on all of the freelancing websites that you know of. And not only that, but it's also excellent for YouTube, and you can make voiceovers for your channel. Since these voiceovers are not robotic or anything, they're actually very natural and professional. And you can actually select all of these different voices from this tab right here, and as well as adjust the language, accent, etc. So to demonstrate how simple it is to use this tool, I will write in "Welcome to EarnPal, please like and subscribe." And then I'll click on listen, and then listen to this, guys.
Welcome to EarnPal, please like and subscribe.
Let's say you type in "Welcome to EarnPal, please like and subscribe to the channel and also drop a like." And then I'll press the listen button. And as you can hear,
Welcome to EarnPal, please like and subscribe to the channel and also drop a like.
It sounds fantastic, doesn't it? Now I can just hit this button right here that says convert to speech, and then click this download button right here to download it to your computer. So I can give it to my customer and get paid hundreds of dollars. The customer will provide the whole script, which you can simply copy and paste into this box. Click Generate Voiceover, download it to your computer, return to SEO Clerks, and deliver it to your customer an unlimited number of times. So once again, this method requires no upfront payment at all. I mean, you can also create various YouTube videos or offer YouTube video services on all the freelancing platforms. So once again, there's a lot of money to be made in this industry. So you might notice that when you click on this download button right here, this website is going to ask you to upgrade for a license. And as you can see, here are the prices for this platform. It is $19 per month for this plan right here. But you should know that you will not buy this upfront. You will only pay for this platform when you receive your first order from the freelancing websites. So imagine you sell your first voiceover for $100. That's easy to pay $19 license for this from just one customer, and then you can use the platform for 1 month. That brings us to the end of today's video. Before we go, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be updated whenever we post new content on our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment down below. Also share the video with your friends, and as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Take care.